MPT BIM framework.
The system architecture extracts live architectural dimensions from the local Autodesk Revit desktop environment, pulls them asynchronously into the React Web dashboard via background polling loops, and handles multi-turn design requests by routing data directly to the cloud-hosted Gemini 3.7 Flash optimization model.
The local Autodesk Revit desktop application extracts live architectural data parameters and hosts them on an internal local asynchronous server loop. The React Web dashboard silently polls this local server background loop every 3.5 seconds to pull and update the continuous optimization metrics in real time. User prompt instructions pass seamlessly from the client panel down to the cloud-hosted Gemini 3.7 Flash engine to Clicking this button spins up a background lightweight HTTP listener on the local machine, turning Revit into an active webhook listener ready to intercept structural layout instructions. Now start the Revit add-in. The React front end is connected with the Revit add-in. Autonomous Quant Copilot integrates Gemini 3.7 Flash as an active reasoning agent, moving beyond simple static UI automations. AI agent optimizing urban BIM layouts using modern portfolio theory. Gemini instantly dynamically recalculating continuous Markowitz curves for varying site footprints. Comparing spatial layouts across real-time macroeconomic risk research benchmarks. BIM to MPT live data link. Autonomous AI agent pushing optimized financial spatial layout data into Revit. Gemini mapping Markowitz efficient frontier curves for real-time asset allocations.
Hi, I'm Sharif, a structural engineer and developer who applied and proved that modern portfolio theory works inside building design, cutting a layout's financial risk while raising its return. Diversification isn't just for stock portfolios anymore.
The tale of two worlds, the AEC BIM and the financial. BIM manager working on a project layout inside standard design software. The financial manager trying to calculate project revenues and risks.
Application pops these isolated bubbles by bridging the two worlds, allowing real-time, data-driven collaboration. Thank you for watching.